Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing your Pinterest search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on both PC and mobile, starting with PC. From your Pinterest homepage, click on the search bar at the top. Here you can see all of your recent searches. Click on the X button to the right of recent searches, and your search history will be deleted. Now I will show you how to clear your search history on mobile. On the app, it's only possible to clear the search history one search term at a time, not all at once. I will show you how to delete each search individually first. Open up the Pinterest app and click the search button from the bottom of the homepage. Now, if you tap on the search bar, you can see all of your recent searches. To delete them, just click on the X to the right of each search. If you have a lot of recent searches and want to delete them all in one go, you will have to do that in a web browser. Open up a web browser and go to pinterest.com. Now you need to tap on the three vertical dots button in the top right corner of the page. Tap on Desktop Site from the menu. Tap on the search bar at the top of the page, and then tap on the X in the top right corner of the page. Now, if you go back to the Pinterest app, your search history will be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.